Friends and family, welcome and thank you for joining us today to celebrate the most memorable moment in the life of Kun May and Kun Michael. I am Chapkeo Chandraporn. It is my pleasure to be your MC for this wonderful wedding. Love is magical, unique, and beautiful. Marriage is an exciting adventure which is ever-changing. To get married means you have full understanding of this nature. It takes a deep commitment, good communication, and lots of compassion. As Kun May and Kun Michael start on this journey together, it may be able to nurture a love that makes them a better version themselves. Marriage is a garden we sow with love and harvest in the personal growth. In the presence of your family and friends, you have consented together in marriage and declare your love for one another. Kun May and Kun Michael, with the blessing of everyone here today, I pronounce you husband and wife. Kun Michael, may you kiss your bride.